Welcome back, guys. Today we have my first salt video of 2019. First salt video 2019. This is going to be a catch and cook video. I don't eat much fish. That will be pretty evident. People have said, hey man, do a catch and cook. Let's see it. Let's get a video. Okay. First off, I've been to Rudee Inlet about 3 times. I mean, I've been to a couple different saltwater fishing places since this year, but this video is going to be in Rudee Inlet. Been there about 3 times in the last 3 or 4 weeks when I have a day off of work. We were fishing from the rocks. Public access, anybody can fish there as long as you have a fishing license. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the clips right now of what we were catching from the rocks on the first 2 trips. Oh. Look, there he is. Oh, finally got the first fish of the trip. Came to Virginia Beach for Woodland Fish in Richmond. We got all 3 of the hooks as well. Coming to you. Oh! Speckler on the popping cork. That's his first speckler. First speckled trout of the season. On the Z-Man 12-incher. Okay, so I really didn't find anything that seemed that interesting and legal to eat, so what we decided to do is I got together with Shane, Charlie again. We took the kayaks out. Shout out to Shane for getting me that kayak, let me borrow that from his buddy. I would shout him out, but I don't know who you are. But thank you. So let me roll the footage on that. Don't have too much footage of it. I still gotta clean and cook this thing. So watch this footage real quick and then we're gonna get into the backyard so we can start chopping this guy up, see how bad I can get made fun of for not knowing how to fillet fish, because I really don't do it, but we will try. And I will be owned by the interwebs and YouTube. Do I keep going? No, let's roll the footage. All right. Wow. All right. Oh!
Yeah, right there. Yeah, drop it right down. Yup. You're gonna hit him.
Sheepshead! I think I recorded that whole shit too, didn't I? Yep. Look at these guys' teeth. That is a snaggletooth from hell right there. Pretty fish. This is really interesting too. Over here, I don't know how well this is gonna show up, but where the skin meets the fin, there's actually like slots in here. Pretty interesting. I don't know. It's like they mashed 2 pancakes together. Forgot to throw some Bondo on her. I actually have 2 fish that I'm going to be making. Shane caught this one. I caught the little guy. I'm going to start with the little guy. Hey Google, how do you fillet a sheep's head?
On the website hfdepot.com, they say, cut along the backbone of the fish, freeing the fillet for the rib cage. Carefully work your knife all the way up to its head. In the head of the sheep's head, there is a chunk of meat you do not want to forget about.
Where is it?
Continue cutting along the dorsal fin down to the tail.
And then what? I've done all the steps that Google told me to. Well, I'm just gonna finish it up and show you the finished product. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Ooh, how does it look? Go ahead, light me up. I know I'm no professional at filleting these fish. Not too bad. Gonna get the skin off of these and then I'm going to see what's in his belly. I missed a little bit, sorry. So who's gonna tell me what's up with this head meat? I know sometimes they take the cheeks out, but I don't really think there's much cheek meat in there. All right, let's see what's in the stomach. See what he's eating, so we know what bait to use next time. Ooh, man, that junk is nasty. My roommate's gonna kill me because the trash can's gonna smell like butt. So that looks like I do not know. Man, they really crunch these things up. Can't really tell, but I'm gonna guess it's a bunch of crabs. Well, actually, no, there's little shells in there, so little tiny mussels? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Hey Google, what's the easiest way to make sheep's head?
On the website babycenter.com, they say, the genetic material in the sperm combines with the genetic material in the egg to create a new cell that starts dividing rapidly.
Google, stop.
You're not actually pregnant and...
Okay, well, that helped very little to quite possibly none at all. We're gonna wing it. We're gonna wing it. What is a baked sheep's head on a Hoppin' John? What do you mean, push? Oh. Okay, I think I'm going to make the baked sheep head minus the Hoppin' John. Starts off right here. On this thing. Well, we are going to start off with adding our sheep's head fillets to the aluminium foil. Oh, wait. Gotta hit it with the stuff. Pepper, salt, okay. Onion, garlic, okay. Italian seasoning. I don't know if that's gonna work out. Cayenne pepper, no. Paprika, no, that's a pepper on it. Chili powder. Oh man, it's not opened yet. I'm not gonna be the one to open it. Smoky, seasoned sea salt, chicken hamburgers, fish, okay. Yes. All right. No, I already got you. No, I don't know what you are. Now, right, we have the ingredients set. A little bit of salt. Yeah. I don't know if that's enough. I don't really know what's going on, but it's happening. It's happening. Okay, pepper. I can see the pepper. So let's put the pepper. Wait, that's probably not real fun to watch, is it? Hang on. Smoky. It's smoky. I know how y'all like it on that internet stuff. I know what y'all need. Ooh. Little bit of onion stuff. Okay, maybe not any of the onion stuff. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. I have no idea what this is gonna taste like. Garlic. Go light on that. I don't even know if this is the thing, but we're going to put some zest on them. Might be interesting. Might be the worst idea I've ever had. It's okay. Regardless of what it tastes like, I'm not putting these fish to waste. I'm going to eat them. I hope it's edible. One right back there. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna run out of little lemons. Oh, or oranges. Come on, guy. Yeah.
Zach is the best cook ever. Yay!
Oh, Jesus. Okay. check it in 10 minutes. Actually, I might check it a little bit before, I don't know, but I'm gonna be checking it. Been about 10 minutes. Let's see. Oh shit. Shit. Man, looking professional or something, I don't know. Check to see if our buddies are finished. Ooh. Ooh, I think they're good. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's put them on a plate. Supposed to not stick. Anyway, one for me and one for me. Yep. Okay. Another one. And actually looks pretty good. I knew it would. It's my whole plan all along. But it is missing something. I know what it needs. Everybody loves Snickers. Alright, well, this is the moment nobody's been waiting for. Let's give her a taste. Oh, please be okay. It's good. It's really good. Damn, I don't believe you didn't want to take this fish home. You gave it to me to eat. Thanks, Shane. No, it's really good. Again, I'm not like a huge... I like seafood, but I don't really catch, clean, and cook many fish. But if I had to compare it to anything else that I've ever had, I'd say it's like a tangerine, pretty close to a tangerine. No. It's weird. It's almost like a... God. If I get bashed, I don't know. It kind of, to me, reminds me of flounder. Don't know why, but it does. Oh, really good. I swear. I'm gonna eat this whole plate in front of the camera and be fine. Follow me on Instagram, Zach_Bostic, and I'll post something on my story tomorrow. That way, you know, y'all know I didn't get food poisoning. And even if I do, I probably won't post it, but whatever. It's good. It's 11:22 on a Sunday night, and I've been working on this. Well worth it. Do people eat this? Well, the peel is kind of hard to get down, but it tasted good. Well, yeah, thank you for watching. If y'all like these type of videos from me, I'll keep doing them. Just let me know in the comment section. This isn't my favorite part. I'm glad I put it on there, but I wouldn't eat these. I know you're not supposed to eat that. Oh shit. I forgot to turn the oven off. Last piece. I got something on my face. Alright guys, we're good. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if you want me to keep doing stuff like this. This is fun. I enjoyed making this. And the video as a whole. But stay tuned. Have more saltwater stuff out there. Go do some more stuff at the river. Try to get back on some kayaks. Trying to do some road trips. Who knows? Stay tuned and you'll be informed. Alright guys, that's the last piece. Look at that. I ate everything. Later.